Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Hoping you all are fine, enjoying good health. My name is Maryam and I am your maths teacher. As you know, we have wind up our first term, have given exams. Now it's the second term and the topics are new. I hope you all will enjoy learning about the new topics and are excited. So the topic of the day is division word problems. Word problem means story sums and the countdown pages where this topic is countdown page number 82. So dear class, before we move our lesson, you have to look upon a moral lesson of the day. First of all, we will take a moral lesson and the moral lesson is don't waste time. As you know, nowadays we are facing a big problem, that is COVID-19, and we people are stuck at home. So dear students, you should have to pay attention to your studies and you should never waste your time. So students, now move on to the topic of the day. Topic of the day is division word problems, story sums. On the left hand side you can see it is the division sign and we use this division sign in the statement form. On the right hand side this is also a division sign, but we use this division sign in long division. Dear students, now all of you come to the topic of the day. I have few story sums and I will solve it for you. Also we have pictures, so I hope you all will enjoy learning. Dear students, the story is, first story A is, there are 12 ice creams with 4 in each set. How many 4s are there in 12? So class, वो हमें कह रहे हैं, they are saying that the total ice creams are 12 and these 12 ice creams have a sets. ठीक है, ये बिल्कुल ऐसा ही है कि आपके पास 12 आइस क्रीम्स हों और आप उनके इक्वल सेट्स बना दें. They are saying the sets are of 4 like you can see in the picture. You can see 4 ice creams, so 4 ice creams, and if you count these ice creams you will know these are 12. So dear class, they are asking us how many 4s are there. What we have to do, we say 12 divided by 4 equals 3. And how to write it in statement? जब हम इसे 12 को 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे, 4 how many times 12? The answer is 3. So we have 3. How is it 3? आपके माइंड में क्वेश्चन आया होगा कि ये 3 कैसे है. We are telling them about the sets. हमारे पास कितने सेट बने हैं. So sets are 1, 2 and 3. So that was very easy. Now move on to the next story. B story. Okay. How many 3 are there in 6? So dear class, वो पूछ रहे हैं, we have 6 cherries. Suppose you have 6 cherries. How many 3 are there in 6? कि 6 में कितने 3 होंगे? Means we have to make sets of 3. What we have to do, we will divide 6 with 3. 6 divided by 3 how many times 6? 2. So if they ask how many 3s are there, 3 एक side पे होंगी cherries, on the other side 3 cherries are on the other side. So how many 3s are there? 2 3s are there. Next is how many 2s are there in 6? 6 divided by 2, जब वो 2s का पूछ रहे हैं, we will divide 6 with 2. 6 divided by 2 how many times 6? 2 3s are 6, and you can see how many 2s are there? 1 2 3. और अगर ऊपर वाला क्वेश्चन उससे रिलेटेड कोई पिक्चर आपके माइंड में आती है, सो ऐसा होता कि ये हाफ 3 चेरीज एक साइड पे होती हैं एंड हाफ 3 चेरीज ऑन द अदर साइड. Dear students, now move on to the C story. What is it? Now let's start the reading. There are 8 flowers with 4 in each set. How many 4s are there in 8? Okay, आपको समझ आई होगी students. They are asking the total flowers are 8, 4 in each set. 8 flowers हैं एंड एक सेट में हमारे 4 फ्लावर्स हैं. हाउ मैनी 4s आर देयर, वो पूछ रहे हैं कि कितने 4s होंगे, 4 के कितने सेट्स होंगे. इट मीन्स हम हाफ हाफ उन्हें डिवाइड कर देंगे. वी विल डिवाइड 8 विद व्हाट, विद विच नंबर? हियर इज 8. दे आर आस्किंग हाउ मैनी? 4. सो 8 divided by, we say 8 divided by 4 equals 2. How many sets are there? 2 sets are there. And in statement we will write it as 8 divided by 4. 4 how many times 8? 4 2s are 8. 2 sets are there. Dear class, now move on to the last story sum. And I hope you all like candies. We have candies here. So how many 3s are there in 15? They are asking कि, for example, I have given you an example here that we have 15 sweets here and we have to divide them like that each set has 3 sweets. Because they are asking how many 3s are there in 15. मीन्स कि हमने 15 को 3 से डिवाइड करना है. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. How many 3s are there? 5 3s are there and you can count 1 2 3 4 5. 5 3s are there. So dear class, then the next story on this page is how many 5 are there in 15. 15 divided by 5 equal to 3. Now they are asking how many 5s. We will divide 15 with 5. 5 3s are 15. So the example is, you can see 3 5s are there. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. How many 3s are here? 1 2 3. 3 5s are there. Dear class, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Allah Hafiz, take care and learn more.